pinapakaliwanag ng Chinese people. Tony Carpio is saying na meron ng provision na hindi na bayaran, we are waiving our rights sa assets sa West Philippine Sea, particularly reed bank. So parang yung provision ba na yun enough reason to reconsider the agreement or
well, I have to verify if that's a true statement, no? Kasi we've not had a chance to see the loan agreement. So siguro antayin natin. Maybe Congress can in the exercise of its oversight power can take a look at that.
Natural ba yun, sir? Sa mga loan agreements previously with World Bank and ADB, na meron ganung provision.
Waiver of rights?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound familiar to me. Parang
This is new.
kung sakaling, I don't want to say it's new because I don't even know if it exists, no? So tingnan muna natin, no? But it seems unusual.
Unconstitutional po ba yun?
Well, when it comes to national territory, you cannot really cede your rights because that's something that both present and future generations can enjoy. So hindi basta-basta nasa-sign away yung rights natin to national territory.